Did you know that the very building blocks of life may have hitched a ride on a cosmic rock? Yes, we're talking about asteroids, those spacefaring boulders that have been zipping around our solar system for billions of years. Many scientists believe that these celestial objects could have played a pivotal role in the origin of life on our planet. This leads us to the mind-boggling concept of panspermia. It's an idea that suggests life as we know it may not have started here on Earth at all. Instead, the necessary elements and compounds for life to form and evolve could have been delivered from elsewhere in the cosmos. Imagine that, life not as a singular occurrence but as a cosmic event, with asteroids acting as the interstellar couriers, carrying the seeds of life across the vast expanse of space. So, how did these asteroids potentially seed life on Earth? Let's unravel this cosmic mystery. To understand how life may have come from asteroids, we first need to appreciate what life is made of. At the most fundamental level, life as we know it is a complex dance of molecules. And these molecules, they're nothing more than a combination of elements like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus and sulfur. These 6 elements form the backbone of all life on Earth, from the smallest microbe to the largest blue whale. Now here's where it gets interesting. These very same elements are found in abundance on asteroids. Yes, those rocky remnants from the dawn of our solar system, drifting through the cosmos, carry within them the building blocks of life. Let's take a closer look. Carbon, the key ingredient in organic molecules, is present in many asteroids. Hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water, without which life as we know it would be impossible. Nitrogen is a crucial component of DNA and proteins. Phosphorus is vital in energy transfer within cells, and sulfur plays a key role in the function of proteins. But life is not just about elements, it's also about complex molecules like amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. And guess what? In 2019, scientists discovered that asteroids could also hold a rich supply of these important molecules. This means that asteroids could potentially have all the necessary components to start the complex process of life. So how could these ingredients come together to form life? Well, when asteroids crash into a planet like Earth, for instance, they deliver these elements and compounds. Over billions of years, through a process we're still trying to fully understand, these components could have gradually combined and evolved into living organisms. So, life on Earth may owe a lot to these cosmic travelers. Yes, it's a bit like saying we're all made of stardust, but in this case it might be more accurate to say we're made of asteroid dust. So, asteroids have the ingredients, but how did they get here? Asteroids, as it turns out, have been bombarding Earth for billions of years. A cosmic bombardment, if you will, but one that's not as destructive as it sounds. In fact, it might be the very reason we're here today. Imagine Earth as a cosmic doorstep, receiving parcels from the universe in the form of asteroids. These celestial bodies, which have been zipping through the cosmos since the dawn of our solar system, carry an assortment of molecules, including water and organic compounds, the very building blocks of life. Think of asteroids as the universe's delivery service, continuously dropping off packages on Earth's surface. In the early stages of our planet's history, these deliveries were much more frequent. The solar system was a chaotic place, teeming with asteroids that were often on a collision course with Earth. Every asteroid impact was a significant event, with the potential to dramatically alter the Earth's environment. But within the cataclysm, a delivery was made. The asteroids brought with them a payload of water and organic compounds. When these ingredients combined with the right conditions on Earth, it could have set the stage for life to emerge. The sheer number of these asteroid impacts over billions of years increases the likelihood of these ingredients being delivered and mixed in just the right way to spark the miracle of life. It's a bit like baking a cake. The more attempts you make, the higher the chances you'll eventually get it right. But it's not just about quantity, it's also about timing. The period of heavy asteroid bombardment coincides with the time when life is thought to have begun on Earth. This cosmic synchronicity lends further weight to the theory that asteroids could have been the delivery service that brought life to our door. But what's the evidence supporting this theory? That, my friends, is a story for our next chapter. Stay tuned as we delve into the compelling scientific findings that reinforce this fascinating perspective on our cosmic origins. The evidence for life coming from asteroids comes from various fields of science. And this evidence is not only intriguing but also compelling. It's like a cosmic jigsaw puzzle that scientists have been piecing together over decades, and the picture that's emerging is one of life's potential origins beyond our blue planet. One of the most significant pieces of this puzzle is the discovery of amino acids in meteorites. Amino acids, as you might recall from your high school biology class, are the building blocks of proteins, which in turn are vital for all known forms of life. Scientists have found these crucial molecules in meteorites that have fallen to Earth. And we're not talking about just one or two types of amino acids. Over 70 different kinds have been identified in these space rocks. Some of these are even the same ones that we humans, along with all other life forms on Earth, use to build our proteins. But wait a minute, how did these amino acids end up in meteorites? Well, the current understanding is that they formed on the parent asteroids of these meteorites. These asteroids are like time capsules from the early solar system, carrying within them clues about the conditions and elements present when they formed over 4.5 billion years ago. Under the right conditions, simple chemical reactions could have resulted in the formation of these amino acids. Now, let's move on to another piece of the puzzle. Water. Yes, you heard it right. Asteroids are not just barren rocks hurtling through space. Scientists have discovered evidence of water, or more specifically water ice, in asteroids. And as we know, water is a critical ingredient for life as we know it. The presence of water in asteroids suggests that these cosmic bodies could have delivered this life-sustaining substance to the early Earth, contributing to the creation of the oceans and seas we have today. Lastly, let's consider the similarities between Earth's and asteroids' mineral compositions. Recent studies have shown that the types of minerals found in certain types of asteroids, called carbonaceous chondrites, closely match those found on Earth. This similarity further strengthens the idea that asteroids could have been a significant source of the elements necessary for life on our planet. So the evidence is compelling, from the presence of amino acids in meteorites, water in asteroids, to the similarities in mineral composition between Earth and asteroids. Each piece of evidence adds to the growing body of support for the theory that asteroids could have played a crucial role in bringing life to Earth. So the evidence is compelling, but what does this mean for our understanding of life? Well, that's a question for another scene. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the implications of this fascinating theory. If asteroids did indeed bring life to Earth, the implications are profound. This theory, if validated, would fundamentally change our understanding of life's origin. It suggests that life, or at least the building blocks of life, may not be a rarity, but a cosmic inevitability. The universe, with its countless asteroids and comets, could be teeming with the essential elements needed for life to take root. Just imagine, each asteroid hurtling through the cosmos could potentially be a seed, a cosmic ark, carrying the ingredients necessary to spark life. This means that life, as we know it, might not be exclusive to our blue planet. It could be scattered across the universe, waiting to be awakened on any planet with the right conditions. This idea breathes new life into the Drake equation, a formula used to estimate the number of civilizations in our galaxy with which we might communicate. This theory also has significant implications for our space exploration efforts. If asteroids are indeed the delivery service for life, then our quest to find extraterrestrial life should also focus on these cosmic travelers. We may need to rethink our strategies, shifting from the search for distant Earth-like planets to a closer study of the asteroids and comets within our own solar system. Who knows? The next breakthrough in our quest to find alien life might come from a chunk of rock floating in the asteroid belt. Our understanding of life and its origins is continually evolving, shaped by new discoveries and theories. The idea that asteroids might have brought life to Earth is just one piece of this ever-changing puzzle. But it's a piece that could radically alter our perception of the universe and our place within it. What do you think about the possibility of life coming from asteroids? Could we be not only Earthlings but also children of the cosmos?